How to remove background in Picsart. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily remove a background in Picsart. So first thing, just head over to your Picsart application. So once you're inside your Picsart application, make sure you are connected to your network, and it might show you some ad, so never mind. So just click on this plus icon over here and select any photos. So let me just select these photos over here. So to remove a background, first I have to choose the fit option, so that I will click on my resolution that I required, size, ratio. You can change it as well, and once you select that particular ratio you want, just click on this icon here, eraser like icon, right next to the download option. Just tap on it, and from over here you will be clicking on the select, and then just click on select person, and it will automatically remove your background from the person. Now that you have removed your background, just click on done, right tick button, and once you click on it, you can also change your background with a solid color just like this, or you can also put a background with a different background, or you can also put a different image if you have one. You can also put it from your gallery. So, and just click on done and just click on download. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.